When you were a kid, did you want to grow as a great politician, a prime minister, a great successful businessman, an astronaut, a great teacher, a great singer, or something like that? If so, how is that coming along? Are you living life of your dreams? If not, probably this video is going to be of some use to you. I'm going to ask you 3 questions, and by answering those 3 questions, you would be able to know the answer to your why you are not able to live the life of your dreams, and you would be forced to admit it, right? So let's go ahead with these 3 questions. Yeah, but before that, let me tell you, when I say that you are wasting your life, by that I just mean that you are not utilizing your fullest potential. Let's start with the questions. So the question number 1 is, where are you spending your time? So basically what I'm asking you to do is to make a time log of your daily activities, be it personal, professional, or spiritual. Through this time log, you're going to consolidate the activities and going to conclude whether these activities are serving you the way you want. Are these activities are giving you a better life, or at least promising you to give a better life tomorrow? Are these activities are making you a better version of yourself? If not, then you'll have to change your activities, right? So simple. The second question is, are you afraid of leaving your comfort zone? Do you feel glad whenever it is Friday? Or do you feel that it's too much of enjoyment whenever it is happy hour, though you are not happy inside? So basically, it's not always about leaving your job, quitting your job and doing something on your own. It's not always about that. It's also about, are you trying to find out more challenging role within the organization? Are you trying to get a deeper, maybe tougher, but purposeful conversation with your boss or the senior management of your company? Are you willing to take more risk within the current organization? If not, it means that you are stuck at your comfort zone. Just think about the ways in which you would like to grow, and don't get into the trap all the time that I want to do something on my own. Good if you want to do it, but I think most of the time it is much more than that. Take calculated risk. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Are you afraid of leaving your comfort zone? Question number 3 is, with whom you spend most of your time? It is said that you show me your friends and I will show you your future. What does it mean? It means that the kind of people you are surrounded with, the kind of media you consume, the kind of web series you watch, that impacts your personality. So you choose with whom you want to spend your time. Most of the time, we humans want to spend time with people with whom we are comfortable, as in they don't force us to become better or to talk better, to grow better. We are comfortable with the people who are okay with our status quo. Okay, anybody who pushes us beyond our boundaries, we become uncomfortable, right? So are you also that kind of a person? If yes, then you are living a very stagnant lifestyle, and you know that what stagnancy brings along. So you need to choose people who are growth oriented. By just observing them and talking to them, you would think beyond your horizon, okay? And that interaction will push you to grow more. So once you have answered these questions and you decided that you are going to stop wasting your life, the very first step is to stop. Give yourself a pep talk. Tell yourself that the coming days are going to be a little painful, because it's a transition, and transition is bound to be painful. Mother gives birth to a baby after going through birth pangs. Okay, so any transition is going to be painful. Just give yourself a pep talk that now I have decided to really make a transition from my comfort zone to another higher zone. So I have bound to have this kind of a problems probably on my way. So I'm ready for this. And the moment you take the first step of spending your time 5 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour on some activity which will take you to your next level, suddenly you'll feel that some weight is being lifted off your shoulders. Suddenly there will be a push from within that will take you to greater heights. Okay, so my best wishes to you. And I hope that just now, after watching this video, you will sit down, you shut down everything else, you will just answer those 3 questions, find out, are you utilizing your full potential? As a human, we have immense potential. My best wishes to you and more power to you. Thanks a lot. See you next time soon. Take care. If you want to grow in your career as a confident communicator and you want to grow mindfully, I am sure you would have pressed the bell icon, you would have subscribed the channel. If not, it's difficult. Do it. Okay? Do it and see you soon. Take care.